Come along with me to a cliff under a tree, where we can gaze upon the water as an everlasting dream. Come along with me, and the butterflies and bees, we can wander through the forest, so sweet breeze. With me to a cliff under a tree, where we can gaze upon the water as an everlasting dream.
Nachos with cheese and stuff in them. This is my first video, so I'm kind of nervous. Wait, my knife is bent. Cut.
Keep layering it until it looks about good. Our chef has left the building, so now it's just cook's choice here. Alright, our chef is somehow outside now. So you're gonna want your oven preheated at about 400 degrees, right, Chef Gene?
I would say 5 to 75 minutes. I don't like cooking a pizza.
Join us after this commercial break on Food Network with Emerald Gene.
Do you know polar bears, when they're trying to eat a seal through the ice, this is what they do. They have these big black noses. They cover them up. So the seals only see white. They take that same hand that they cover their nose with, and then they grab them and they eat them.
Smelly wet.
Ta-da!
I love it. I will be a customer because it's a great product.
Additionally, if you have leftovers, you can put them in a blender in the morning. Enjoy it for a nice, spicy breakfast drink. One needs to not be afraid to experiment with all sorts of ingredients. You never know what you might come up with. It might be beautiful and delicious.
Okay, so I'm in Excelsior, Minnesota right now at my dad's house. I need to go back to school in Grand Forks, North Dakota, check in with my roommates, grab some stuff, and then I have a flight tomorrow at 8:55 in the morning. That's actually in Minneapolis, which is about 30 minutes away from here. So I'm gonna have to get on a flight to Grand Forks, check in with my roommates, grab some stuff for school and whatnot, grab some clothes, all that stuff, and head right back to Minneapolis tomorrow morning on the 5 a.m. flight, so I can catch the 8:55 to Tampa and then meet up with Tony. So stay tuned. Here is my. I'm just gonna assemble everything and just gonna throw it all together. So here it is. I'm literally just riding back and forth in this tram, trying to do something mildly entertaining with my time. I'm alone in here. This is kind of weird.
To all the ladies in the place.
Just landed in Florida yesterday. Tony came and finessed me from the airport, and I was gonna be there the day before. He drove to the airport still. We're just about to go get some food. We're hitting up our buddy who's in Orlando right now. We're close to Tampa, and we've been trying to see if he could come hang out with us for a couple days. Yeah, we've just been chilling. Just chilling, bro. I slept for 12 hours last night. Woke up, I looked at the Chromecast and it said 10 a.m. So I was like, alright, well, go back to bed for a little bit more. Woke up, said like 12 or something. And I was like, well, shoot, it's already like noon. Got up, looked at the microwave and the oven time, and it was actually like 3 p.m. The clock was just super off, so.
Whoops.
Yep, whoops. Yeah, we're just gonna go get some food and we'll figure out what we're doing with the rest of the day. Here's a little extra rice. Black beans, half barbacoa, half chicken, please.
To all the ladies in the place.
Corn, sour cream, and extra cheese. Then can I get a little extra cilantro on there too, if that's good?
To all the ladies in the place.
Okay. Could I stay the rest of the weekend at their house and fly back with Ben? Stay at Tony's house Like Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, fly back like Sunday night or Monday morning. Okay, he's asking.
He's asking who? He's your dad.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
What's up, Harper?
What's up, dudes? Hey, you like my new hat?
What's it say?
Billabong.
Build a bong.
Billabong. That's pretty
No, it's
sweet.
Billabong.
How's Orlando?
Yeah, it's nice.
That's sweet.
Did it rain earlier by you guys?
Nope.
No? Yeah, it rained here for like half an hour or something.
Yeah, it comes and it goes, but it doesn't hit every single spot. It's really weird down here.
I seen you boys this Saturday morning. You guys are gonna have to pick me up. That's fine, right?
No.
Huh?
No. I refuse.
Okay. Alright, you refuse? Alright.
Leave my house around like 8:30. Come pick you up by 10.
Alright, yeah, sounds good.
Alright, bye.
See ya.
I just realized there's a person in this car right here. She's probably hiding from the camera right now.
That nail tastes so good. How well that hand tastes. It looks like sap.
Poopy. All over the vehicle.
Doo-doo.
Doo-doo fart
Doopy pack.
We're just getting back. Talked to Harper. Figured out a little bit of a plan here. I'm gonna be going to Vegas tomorrow. Go see my family for a couple days. Come back. And then our buddy Harper is gonna be here on Saturday. And we're gonna spend a couple days with him. So yeah, that's the plan. Stay tuned.
You don't have to film that one.
Really? Is he a big golfer? Yeah, he's good. You like wings or flats?
Wings or flats? I like those. Those are the way to go for sure. Are those golf flavored? Is your shirt golf flavored? Love the golf shirt at the golf place.
Welcome.
Oh, what's up, bro?
Bang.
How's it going, man?
You're good. How was your flight?
Oh, it was great, dude. Thanks for asking. How many pesos does it set you back?
That you're gonna have to ask my accountant. Take you out some stairs. Yeah. We're gonna get my roommate fixed. Not messy room right now. Gotta clean this up, sorry. This is kind of like short notice. Stated from my person. Built this myself.
Stand up.
That is Nick. You're now under my control.
Ooh.
My toy.
What makes me whole. Get up out of my
Look how much cream cheese they gave me. This whole big cup.
You guys have like 6 days.
This is enough. Yeah, this is enough for so
Oh my god, this is a good dish.
Johnny
Sandwich with the high C.
The high
Or
B.
should I say the high B? What is this mustard?
Not bad. You don't have to hold this.
Make me hold this.
You look like a tortoise. There's melted cheese on you.
Get yourself a sandwich that everybody wants to try.
We were talking in there, we were like, bro, this place, in the future, this place is gonna have a dome around it. They're gonna have their own community in it.
And
They're gonna become independent.
They're not gonna allow any
It's
skateboards.
like, it's like a
in
cult,
the town.
bro. All skaters will be executed.
That's 3 days off. So I started Sunday.
Somebody like last minute got like booted off the plane or something. I don't even know what happened, but somehow I got the last seat. Let's go. This video is being posted late because I forgot my MacBook charger at my house. I had to have my stepbrother bring it to Vegas. Back in Tampa, Sony just picked me up. We're gonna pick up Harper, head back to Tampa, and any words from Tony?
Nope.
Stay tuned. So we just pulled up to Harper's abode. Security guy told us to. Oh, there he is. What's up, Harp?
Is that the whole deal? Okay.
It's all. How's it going, man? Nice toss. What's up, bro?
Please.
Don't need it.
I don't need it.
I need it. We went to a random little Chinese place and it was pretty good. When we went in there, I started using baklava voice. And I forgot that we were in a Chinese restaurant. She like looked over at me. I was like, gosh.
You didn't hear that?
I think I went out. I think that's when I went to
like,
my
oh
mom.
my god.
Now I just got another hour drive back. Easy bank.
Easy hour.
Alright, this fortnighting has officially gone to the next level. Oh, you took a
what the
pic?
fuck going on at 3:42 a.m. We out here. We playing Fortnite.
Catching them L's because we haven't taken a
Make sure
single
you show
dub.
them the TV out there too, though.
And we got the cross platforms going. It's Easter, so like everything is closed. And there's still 2 hours until dinner. Figure out what to do here. We just dropped Sony's mom off at the Hard Rock Casino. Road has holes in it. Does anyone know there's holes in your road? Watch out, there's holes. Watch out, holes. Don't fall through. Boys, we should go to the top floor. No way. I swear, if this is open. Oh, no, got on the roof. Will you film me doing a backflip off this pipe quick?
Yeah.
Bet.
Nice.
Okay, I kind of want to look around a little bit. Let's wait for this guy to come back.
Should we?
Tony collected a bunch of these stripper advertisement things in Vegas, and we brought one with us, and we put it on this dude's car. We're gonna wait for him to come back and see what he does.
It just looks so funny.
700, 750.
This guy's looking at it, and he's like, he's looking at it.
But yeah, so don't make it so obvious.
I think it's one of these guys.
Like,
Oh, it's him.
Yeah.
It's him. No.
what? Don't record it. Yeah, I'll bring the PlayStation. Huh? Yeah, I have one. I have two. Questions that you need to come back.
Hey, it's a prank video. Is it okay if I use this video?
Yeah, it's fine.
They all came running over.
That was so funny.
It's a stripper card.
We got strippers! That's exactly what the second dude came
Really?
and said, yeah.
We should do a video of just like doing that a bunch to people.
Putting stripper cards on people's cars?
Yeah.
That'd be so good.
Sorry for the late video. I left my MacBook charger at my house before I left for the trip. Also, I ended up doing a bunch more traveling than I expected to do after I left, so it took a long time to put this one together. So with that being said, if you made it this far, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to drop a comment or a like down below. I'm doing a lot of traveling this year, and I post weekly videos, so if you want to follow me along on that stuff, feel free to do that if you feel like it. Stay tuned, and remember to take big bites. Thanks.